Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the hottest air tools on the market, the Shark HD430C FlexStyle air styling and drying system. So if you're looking to a powerful blow dryer and a versatile styler that gives you more results without heating damage, stick around, and this might just be the tool for you. We got the brochure here. We got the operating instructions. I mainly bought this for my girlfriend. I'm going to be using just the actual blow dryer. I don't need any of the heads, I don't think so. My hair is not long enough. So here is the actual dryer itself. So you can just turn it at an angle. Let's just attach the styling concentrator. These are the barrels or the auto wrap curls. There's the left one and the right one. This is the oval brush. We got the paddle brush. But yeah, let's get to the pros and cons. The Shark FlexPipe is a much more affordable option compared to Dyson Airwrap because it's obviously, it doesn't use that technology that Dyson is using. It's pretty much almost half the price, so it makes it a very good value if you're on a budget and still looking for professional results. So that's why I chose this. All the attachments are there that you need except the diffuser, but you got the paddle brush, auto wrap curls, oval brush, and concentrator. So that's one of the main ones. And durability and build, I have a Shark vacuum versus a Dyson. My Shark vacuum lasts a lot longer. It's on cable. It's on the AC power with the cable, not the battery. So I don't know. Dyson keeps dying on me. I just hate that. So I use the Shark more. But these two companies are kind of competing with each other. Now about the cons, this one is obviously louder. It can be quite loud. Basically, it's a very high pitched sound, which is kind of uncomfortable during long styling sessions. Second thing is that if you have longer hair, you might find that the curling barrels is a bit too short for your liking. You'll need to work with smaller sections of your hair, which can be time consuming for those with thicker, longer locks. The FlexStyle offers a decent heat control with 3 settings over here. The Dysons for sure have a better advanced temperature regulation, measuring heat 40 times per second, which is it's better protection against long-term heat damage. And Shark lacks this advanced tech, which some people might consider buying the Dyson over the Shark because of that reason. So my final verdict, all in all, Shark FlexStyle is a fantastic choice if you're looking for affordable, versatile hair tool. But again, if you're looking for really high-tech temperature control, you might go for a Dyson. The price was the winning point for me. So thanks guys for watching this video. If you have any comments, let me know in the description. And if you have both of them, also please let me know what your thoughts are. It helps me out a lot. Thank you so much, and you guys have a great day.